and I work on a regular basis.
Your notes on who you've met with, where things landed, and if there's a way that we can get, if it's not the right person, sometimes there is awesome.
United States, they are without a doubt the backbone of this industry. And get this
work. And as the minister said earlier today, the diplomats can do the diplomatic things, but we're the practical guys that know how to make it happen.
Kenya is the third largest producer of tea in the world and is the largest black tea producer on earth. We are also the largest purple tea producers in the world, alongside other products that we can discuss. The Kenya coffee is also a premier coffee, especially where it is not blended and where it has got its geographical indicators. I've got a feeling that there are some of our products that are in your shelves through other third parties. For example, you have got tea, possibly Lipton tea, or what you call English breakfast tea. Well, I've got news for you, it is actually Kenya tea.
We have the ability and capacity to provide Walmarts with the volume and the quality that it may be required. We are also able to certify all categories of segments in the Walmart, from the lowest categorized teas to the highest, because we produce premium tea.